Good one.
Hey guys, just stepping out here real quick. It's cold today. We're in the middle of winter here, basically. Well, start of winter, but it's cold today here in the high desert. And then I have a little bit of a humidifier problem on this big remodel job that I've been working on. And I don't know, just watch, you'll see. I thought I had a fix, now I have a real fix. You'll see what it is here in a second. The shit show continues on this job. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC. It is Monday, December 2nd, 2024. As you can see, we got a nice icy, foggy morning going on here. It looked like the fog was receding this morning and now it's back, so not going to warm up much today. So I'm going to go run a few errands. I got a couple little things here and there to do. I've finally succumbed to my wife and daughter's real bad congestive cough that they had. I'm trying not to cough right now, actually. So I don't know what I'll be worth today. I probably need to do a body cleansing. You know, a little bit too much football and partying and stuff. You know, I've probably been hitting the IPAs a little too hard lately, so I'm gonna take a little time off from that, I think, for the most part during the week. But as you can see, we've got a nice dreary, foggy, icy day here. I'm gonna head off, get some gas, and you know, I want to talk a little bit about my live streams too. You know, I'm doing that giveaway, so you know, make sure and log on to the live streams. So go moving forward every Wednesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Pacific time. You know, I'm going to add to the entries, and now these are going to be subscribers only. You know, you got to have some skin in the game if you want to win these tools. But you know, we're in the process of giving away that refrigerant leak detector right now, and the rules are as follows. So please listen. I need 50 entries. You have to be a subscriber. So once we have 50 entries for the tool giveaway, sorry, I got a guy riding my butt right now. Once we're to 50, I will put all the names in a hat, draw a random name, and we'll have ourselves a winner. Once we pick that one, we'll move on to the next tool and start all over again. So, you know, just a way to get people tuned in, and you know, get your name in the ring for one of these tools. You know, no strings attached. Obviously, you need to be an HVAC, so I will vet you a little bit. If I do draw your name, I want to make sure you're not BSing me. Yeah, we'll go from there. You know, I know some people just like to get free stuff. They'll win the tool and sell it or something. I don't want somebody like that. I want somebody that needs it. So anyway, I wanted to touch on that real quick. I'll see you if I get some footage on one of the jobs today. I'll see you there. Hey guys, so I'm back here. So I put these larger. This is the biggest humidifier that I can get, and it's just not maintaining this humidity in the house. We should add a second one. What would you guys do? I'm not sure what to do in this instance, but the upstairs is doing fine. It's maintaining 40%, but this downstairs keeps dropping down to like 30%. So, and we know she's running. She's definitely running. So I don't know, man. I don't know. Brother got all the sealing done though the other day, so all our ducts are sealed now. I'm gonna figure out what to do here. Alright guys, a wonderful colleague of mine made me up this little schematic on how to force the fan on a system to run your humidifier when it's not calling for heat. So this is my thermostat here. This is my Hume terminal on my thermostat. So I'm only running one wire. I'm grabbing my common from the zone panel. So all we're going to do is on the coil side of our relay, we're going to run common to one side, and then this is basically going to be our our leg that's not going to be energized unless there's a call for humidity. So what'll happen is it'll call for humidity, energize the coil. It's going to close these two contacts, right? So it's going to feed one leg with a humidifier, and then we got our constant common, right? So that's going to click our humidifier on, and it's going to close the other. So it's a it's a 2-pole double throw relay, right? So what's going to do is whenever there's a call for humidity, it's going to energize our humidifier, and it's going to energize both of our G terminals on the zone panel, hence turning the fan on. This will be independent of when there's a call during the heating cycle, you know, because with these thermostats, it only wants to energize in the heating cycle. So this will mean whenever there's a call for humidity, it's going to energize my fan as well. So yeah, it'll allow us to get the guy's humidity up without needing a call for heat. We can energize that fan whenever the humidity comes on. So real nice ways to do it. The only thing I worry about with this is that only going to be energized when that's in heat, though? I wonder. I'll have to check that out. Let me call my guy and see what happens. See what he says. He's smarter about this stuff than me, but it makes sense to me. All right, guys, what are we staring at here, huh? So here's the problem. I'm going to have to get 2 of these, and here's why. This stupid Hume terminal on these Bosch thermostats only energizes if W is energized and a call for heat. So none of this does me any good. The only way this would do me any good is if this thermostat powered it in fan, which it does not. So forget all this. The Prestige does, and he wants the blue. He wants the look of the blue screen. So yeah, looks like that's what we're doing. Ugh, man, expensive. Give the guy what he wants, though.